I'm not going to go over your whole homework assignment, but I do just want to go over the first problem on each page just so you can get an idea of how you did and if you had any major misunderstandings. So, Jack owes his mom $80 for breaking a window playing ball in the house. She makes him do dishes for $10 an hour. How much does he still owe? Okay, so what are the two things that are changing here? Well, he owes his mom $80 and he's trying to make that number go down, right? So that's changing. Like, how much Jack owes is going to change. And then the other thing that's changing is, well, how is he making that number go down? Oh, he's doing dishes, right? And he's doing it for $10 per hour. So this is hours doing dishes. Okay, so if he's done dishes for 0 hours, right? How much does he owe his mom? Well, he still owes her 80. How about after 1 hour? Well, he does it for $10 an hour, so he owed her 80, and then he pays her 10, then he only owes her 70, right? Because what happened is he subtracted 10 from the amount that he owed her because he had done dishes for an hour. And then after 2 hours, he owes her 10 less. And then after 3 hours, he owes her 10 less. So the starting point, he starts by owing her 80, and then it changes by negative 10 each hour. So my equation, right? My equation is always where the rate of change is here, that's my slope, and the starting point is here, that's my y-intercept. So it's y equals negative 10x plus 80. Okay. So I'm going to pause for a moment, and then I'm going to do number 1 on the back side of page 2. So go ahead and flip over. And mine looks a little bit different than yours, but here we go. Write the equation of a line that passes through negative 4, 2, and 4, 4. So remember, when I need the equation of a line, I need two things. I need the slope and I need the y-intercept. Okay, so let's start with the slope. I have my 2 points. This is negative 4, 2, my x value, my y value, and 4, my x value, and my y value. Remember, slope is change in y over change in x. So, in order to get from negative 4 to 4, and you can use your number line, right? And I think for a lot of you, the vertical number line is like way more helpful. And again, mine is white, not in color. It's too bad. But to get from negative 4 to 4, right, here I'm at negative 4, and here's positive 4. So what do I do to get from negative 4 to 4? Well, I have to go up 8 units. So my change in x is plus 8. How about to get from 2 to 4? From 2 to 4, I have to go up 2 units. Okay. So my change in y, and remember, change in y goes on top, is 2. My change in x is 8, and they both are positive in this case. But this can be reduced because both of these numbers can be divided by 2. And so I get 1/4. So my slope is 1/4, right? This is my slope. So now I have my slope, right? But I still need to find my y-intercept. So what I do is I plug in what I know. Well, I know my slope is 1/4. And I plug in one of these points. Now, to me, either point is fine, but I see 2 positive numbers and I think, I might as well use positive numbers, right? There's no need to mix up with the negatives, right? If I just have the option of 2 positives. So I'm going to put, this is my x coordinate, my y coordinate. So y is 4, x is 4, plus b. Now I'm going to solve for b. So first, 1/4 times 4. So that's 1/4 times 4, which is the same as 4 over 1. 1 times 4 is 4. 4 times 1 is 4. And 4 divided by 4 is 1. So 1/4 of 4, 1/4 times 4 is 1. This is 4 equals 1 plus b. And then to get b by itself, I'm going to subtract 1 from both sides. And I get 3 equals b. Okay, so here's my m, here's my b. Let's write my equation. Y equals 1/4 x plus 3.